In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts to Photopea. This is useful when the font you want to use is not available by default and you need to import a custom font into your project. To get started, open your Photopea project and select the Type tool from the left-hand side of your screen. Once the Type tool is active, look at the top left corner of the interface where the font's name is displayed. Clicking on this font drop-down will show you a list of all the fonts that are currently available in Photopea. If the font you want to use does not appear in this list, you can easily add it. In the same font drop-down menu, click on the Load Font option. This will allow you to browse your device and select the font file you want to import. You can upload an individual font file such as a TTF or OTF file, or you can even upload a zip file containing the font without extracting it first. After selecting the font file, click on Open and Photopea will automatically load the font into your project. Once the font has been imported, click on the font drop-down again at the top left of the screen and search for the newly added font by name. When you see it appear in the list, simply click on it to select it. Now click anywhere on the canvas to create a text box and start typing. The text you enter will immediately use the imported font, allowing you to design your text exactly the way you want. And this is how you can add fonts to Photopea.